Hey guys, Matty Mac here from the Oz Affiliate. Just wanted to touch on something for you, a bit of a bonus now. A little bit of a get you over the line here. Hopefully you're already a Partner with Anthony member. For $7 a month, you get all this training on building your own business, building your own email list, the right way to go about it from scratch. Very easy, just follow instructions, things like that. So hopefully you've gone through that. If it takes about a month to do all of that and get your own business up and running, but there are some little bonuses that aren't really advertised that are included in that price. One of them is called the Success Connection. Now, this is a weekly webinar that Anthony puts on, and in his resources over the past years, he's built a lot of things for the Success Connection students. And all these are still available for you just to download and use. So no matter what you want to do, what sort of business you want, if you're looking for just import and start using, this is going to be the best resource that you've got. So, for example, YouTube business or an Instagram business, right? All the information is here. All your landing pages are there. The downloads are there. The sales videos, the training videos. And then if you go into the Success Connection in your Partner with Anthony area, login area, members area, there are the videos for you to watch and implement. And so the videos and the all the notes, the course notes and all that sort of thing are there. So it's like a mini course that you can go through for yourself. So go through, watch the videos, read the notes, download the information, and you're done. It's all there for you. It's all included. There's no additional cost with it. It's all within your $7 a month training with Partner with Anthony program. So you can see here all the videos are done. They've been remade. They're just made available for you. And then, of course, the notes that go with those videos are all done. So it's like an Excel'd course that's already been done. Just waiting for this to load and I'll just show you. So all the videos, of course, all the notes for the videos. So all the notes are there. So you can go through as you watch the videos. So I just want to show you that. And then in the members section, there are all the funnels, so the sales funnels. Just download them directly into your own ClickFunnels account. All the reports that you need to use, the giveaways, the lead magnets, the email follow-up sequences, it's all there. It's all there ready for you to use. So that's a bit of a free bonus that comes with the partner that Anthony provides with the program, that you can just drag it into your account, change it up to your liking, and start sending traffic to it, ready to go. And there's heaps of them in here too. So there's all funnels, newsletters, lead businesses, webinar businesses, full stack businesses, what we're working on at the moment. And he also gives away some pretty good prizes. So with this one, if you get involved and follow along with this training, there's a lot of prizes and stuff that will go with it. This morning he gave away two iMacs. So if you aren't already a part of the Success Connection inside your Partner with Anthony program, then I definitely advise you to get involved in that. So you join some groups, submit some work, get involved, and what you'll learn is just amazing. So again, all of that, the Success Connection inside your Partner with Anthony. If you're not already a Partner with Anthony member, I don't know what you've been doing, but there's a link below. Join up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment, hit me up as per the units details below, and I'll help you out wherever I can. So get involved now, start building your business. Subscribe to the channel, of course, please, and let's get some side hustle going. Let's get some dollars coming in your pocket as soon as possible. Take some action.